Are electric vehicles the future of transportation? We're not just talking about cars anymore. Join me as we explore the exciting advancements in electric vehicles. Let's dive into the world of EVs. People are worried about climate change and high fuel prices. That's why more people are choosing electric vehicles. There are many EV models now: small cars, SUVs, even trucks. EV sales are growing faster every year. Governments are giving incentives and building charging stations. This makes EVs more affordable and easier to use. Batteries are the heart of electric vehicles. Companies are working to make them last longer and charge faster too. Solid state batteries are a new kind of battery. They could give EVs more range and faster charging. But battery materials must be sourced responsibly. Recycling old batteries helps the environment. This is all part of making EVs more sustainable. Charging stations are popping up everywhere. You can even charge your car at home. Public chargers help people on longer trips. Smart charging lets cars charge when electricity is cheapest. You can use solar energy to charge your EV. Even wind energy can power EVs. This helps create a cleaner energy system. Now let's take a look at one of the most important parts of this journey: how electric vehicles are built and how they actually work. Electric cars are built very differently from gasoline cars. Instead, they have electric motors and large battery packs. The battery is usually placed at the bottom of the car, making the vehicle more stable and balanced. An inverter takes power from the battery and sends it to the electric motor. The motor turns the wheels, just like an engine, but with instant torque and no exhaust. There are fewer moving parts in EVs, which means they need less maintenance. The body of an EV is designed to be light but strong. Aluminum and advanced steel are commonly used for safety and efficiency. Every part, from the frame to the software, is made to work together for clean, smooth driving. Some EVs even use recycled materials in their seats and dashboards. And most electric cars get updates through the internet, just like your phone. Building an EV takes advanced technology, clean manufacturing, and smart design. This construction process is a major reason why EVs are leading the way into the future. EVs aren't just for personal use. We now have electric buses, trucks, and delivery vans. Even ships, airplanes, and scooters are going electric. Cities are changing to support electric transport. This creates cleaner and quieter cities. Some cities offer electric car and bike sharing. Electric vehicles are shaping the cities of tomorrow. EVs are growing fast and not just cars. They help the environment, bring new tech, and change how we live. Innovators are working hard to improve every part of EV technology. The next generation will grow up in an electric world.